Hey y'all, so today I am just getting my life together, getting my wardrobe, my closet together. So I have a bunch of clothes, you guys, that I don't wear, that I've just had for years, or probably even torn or are unwearable. For some reason I still have them in my closet. So moving into this new apartment, I really wanted to just like declutter and clean out my closet. So today that's basically what this video is going to be about. I'm going to be decluttering as well as trying on every single thing that I own to make sure that I want to keep them as well as I want to give them away. Also for you guys to see every single thing that I own, from the really good stuff to the most ridiculous, you know, stuff that I don't even wear at all. So I'm just going to be showing you guys every single thing that I have, and let's get straight into it. Okay guys, so this is what my bedroom looks like right now. It is a complete mess. Clothes all over, because I literally have just been pulling out clothes every day to wear them, and I just have had everything here because I know that I wanted to do this video, so I wanted to keep everything, you know, just like out for the video. Alright, so the first step in this process was to just get everything out of the boxes and my closets and everything, and just dunk everything in one place, and the floor is the best place to do that. So I dunked everything on this sheet on the floor and basically put them into categories based on what type of clothing they are. So all trousers in one place, all tops in one place, all sweaters, all jackets, things like that. And so this really helped me just get everything organized starting out, and so I can keep going with this process. Literally all my clothes are here. I literally did laundry to make sure that I have all my clothes on the floor right now, so I can actually like sort through every single thing. So I think this is like a good way for me to start. I actually cleared out my whole closet. As you can see, everything is out. All the drawers are empty, and I'm about to start this whole process. Put up my mirror here, so unpacked it, and I put it up here so that I can actually see myself and see how the outfits fit and decide if I want to keep it or give away.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the lead. Ooh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. We're dynamite. We're from a different time, yeah, we're of a different breed. Cause what we got is timeless, we supersede. And we're holding the key, yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling, just like we please. Ooh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. I hear you breathe, but I can't see if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed, I'm like a mess, and you tell me to confess, and you tell me to confess. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me, because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without me. Running fast, never look back. Now we're over, that's a fact. Phrasing light, see it all bright. You were never right. Back to life, I apologize. Too soon to say I'm fine. Too soon to say I'm fine. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me, because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without me. Like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Oh, like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, can save us, can save us. Oh, nothing you do, oh, nothing you do can save us, can save us. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano.
Hey y'all, so I just got done with this process. This was a very long process. I want to show you guys what my closet looks like right now, as well as all the clothes that I'm giving away. But I was able to go through all my clothes, literally every single thing except for nightwear and workout clothes, because those things I can literally just look at them and be like, okay, I'm giving them away. Now that I have all the clothes that I am giving away or selling, I decided to actually sort through all of them to put them into the two piles of selling or giving away. My sister actually already went through all the stuff that I don't want anymore, and she kind of saw some things that she liked, and so she was able to take some stuff for herself and for her roommates. But the rest of this stuff, I ended up putting them into bags and then just donating the stuff I wanted to donate to Goodwill, and then I am going to figure out how to sell the stuff I want to sell, probably using Depop or Poshmark, one of those things. But that was the whole process. Okay guys, so I'm standing in front of my somewhat organized closet. I finally taken everything out of the boxes, out of the floor and all of those things, and put them in my closet. This is what my closet looks like. I have stuff hanging on both sides of this dresser, and then I still have some stuff up here that I have to figure out, like getting more like storage space to put them in. But my dresser drawers are all full. These are all blouses, these are all bottoms, and I believe the last one are like nightwear and stuff. Yeah, I was able to actually complete this process. I'm very happy about that. I hope you guys found this video helpful as well as motivating to go declutter your closet, you guys, and actually give away things that you've had for years, things that don't even fit you, things that like you don't like anymore, things that are just honestly ugly. So definitely go through your closet and figure out the stuff that you want to keep and things you want to give away. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, like this video if it was helpful, and I'll see you guys next time. Just trying to get my life together. Love you guys. Peace and strength.